Have you ever heard about Mr. Gramanasi? Hi, leaders. My name is Benny Kurian, personal growth coach. Gramanasi is a person who criticizes the grammar usage of others. This usage comes from the application of Godwin's law, which says that everything must eventually devolve to a comparison with the Hitler of Nazis. Hence, someone who is the worst possible person at correcting the grammar of others would indeed be a grammar Nazi. If you are a beginner to English language, if you want to communicate fluently in English, then beware of grammar Nazis. Before you communicate in English, you should remember certain very important things. The first and the most important thing is that communicative competence is more important than grammatical competence. If you want to effectively communicate in English language, you need to have fluency. That competence is more important than grammatical competence. That doesn't mean grammar is not important. Grammar is 100% important. But even as a beginner, you need to have a communicative competence, giving much importance. And the second one is fluency, connected with fluency. Fluency is more important than accuracy. It's not accuracy, it's not the perfect grammar, but fluency, which is very important. And the third one is regarding the obsession with the grammar. You should understand that obsession with grammar will definitely kill your communication. Obsession with grammar will kill your communication. Another important point that you should remember is regarding imitating native speakers of English. There are people from the United States of America or England who speak very good English in their accent, and their pronunciation will be entirely different. And if you are going to imitate these native speakers of English, you will land nowhere. That's very important. You can have your own very good accent, very good pronunciation, but you should be quite natural while you speak in English. There is nothing in imitating the native speakers of English. And the next important thing that you should take care is regarding perfection. As I have mentioned earlier, perfection is not possible, and therefore emphasizing perfection is undesirable. Emphasizing perfection is undesirable, and you are not supposed to focus on perfection. Make maximum mistakes. Don't worry to make mistakes while you communicate. You'll be perfect in your grammar one day. But on the other hand, if you want to focus on your grammar, make your grammar 100% perfect, then you won't be in a position to communicate in English language. Hi friend, next time when you want to speak in English, will you be too much bothered by the grammar Nazi? You are not supposed to be bothered about grammar Nazi, because you are at liberty to make maximum number of mistakes. All the very best. Thank you very much.